Welcome to AsMA's 95th Annual Meeting Abstract Submission Site. We hope these instructions for slides and posters are helpful. Once you've clicked Submit, type your title in all caps. Then, select either Poster or Slide from the Type, Topic, and Subtopic drop-down menu. Select your topic and subtopic from the next two drop-down menus, which pop up once you have selected your submission type. Click Save and Next. On the next page, carefully read the first declaration and check the box to confirm that you have read and understood it. Then, download the 2025 Financial Disclosure Form, complete the form, and upload it here. Then confirm whether you have any relevant relationships to disclose. Carefully read the rest of the declarations and check the boxes to confirm that you have read and understood each one. Save and Next. Now you will fill in your proposal information. Select your category from the drop-down menu. If you've selected Education, then you have to select Education Type from the second drop-down menu that will pop up. The relevant abstract template will pop up for your convenience. Download and read the key elements of a research abstract PowerPoint and the example abstract. This will only take 5 minutes of your time, but it's highly recommended for all submitters and required for first-time submitters. Then, write or paste the text of your abstract as a single paragraph. Use capital letters for all headings within the single paragraph. Click Save and Next. Provide at least 2 learning objectives for your overall session. Click Save and Next. Read the instructions and examples of CME Enduring Materials questions carefully. Then provide 3 original question and answer sets related to your session. Click Save and Next. Finally, fill in the author information for your abstract. All fields with a red asterisk are required. If you have any co-authors, add them here. You would click Add Co-author or Add Another Co-author and fill in the information. All questions with a red asterisk are again required. Since this is a demo, I already have one in here for you and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay. When you are finished with that person's information, you need to click Add to save their information. Again, since this is a demo and I already had it in here, it says Update, but it would say Add for you right here, and you have to click this to save. If you have any additional co-authors, you add them here, same process. If you are done adding co-authors or you didn't have any to begin with, you would click Save and Finalize. Again, since this is a demo and I've already done it, it just says Save for me, but for you it will say Save and Finalize, and you're done. You'll be able to make changes to your finalized submission only until November 1st. To make those changes, go to Your Complete Submissions, click Edit. When you're done, make sure you click Save and Done in order to save those changes. Good luck!